How to log into another account on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log into another account on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you need to open up Facebook application in your mobile device. And if you're already logged in with your account, now if you want to add another account, then tap on the profile icon at the top right with the three-line icon. Once you're here, you have to scroll all the way to the down and here tap on logout and here log out of your account, then tap on logout. Once you have successfully logged out of your account, now if you want to log in into another account, then you have to tap on use another profile. And here you have to enter your login credential. Enter your mobile number or email that is associated with your account and under that tap or type in your correct password. If your login credential is correct, tap on the login and with that you will be logged into your account. And once you're logged in, if you want to switch account, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner with the three line, and if you tap on this drop down, from here you can switch your account. And that's how you can add multiple accounts on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.